Welcome to Standards Map, your roadmap to sustainable trade. Standards are sets of rules, guidelines and characteristics for products and services developed by private or public organisations to reach specific goals. More and more standards have been developed to address sustainability issues, also called hotspots along global supply chains. These include environmental issues like pollution, biodiversity and deforestation, social issues such as child labour, working hours and wages, economic and management issues such as productivity and efficiency, quality and food safety, and business ethics. Unlike technical regulations developed by public authorities, sustainability standards are in most cases voluntary. Their use is not regulated by international or national legislation and is therefore mostly market-driven. Standards can apply to different levels of the value chain, from primary production, processing and trading to retailing and consumption. The International Trade Centre has developed the Standards Map tool to help producers, exporters, traders, buyers, policymakers and researchers better understand the constantly evolving landscape of standards and make better informed decisions regarding their use or adoption. Standards Map will help you identify standards most relevant to specific sectors, countries or regions, quickly review and compare them, and learn how businesses can best integrate sustainable trade practices. The journey starts by identifying standards which are applicable to a specific sector, country or region, or that cover particular hotspots. As a second step, you will complete a quick scan of the standard's main characteristics, requirements and policies. Next, you can compare the standard's requirements side by side, taking into consideration the hotspots covered and their related compliance policies. Finally, you can complete a self-assessment against selected standards of your interest and see where your customised business profile stands in comparison to those standards' requirements. Go to www.standardsmap.org and discover the first two modules of Standards Map to identify and scan standards. Use your personal login or create one free of charge in order to access the additional two modules to compare standards and run a self-assessment. Standards Map, your roadmap to sustainable trade.
The International Trade Centre. Export impact for good.